Hi Ladybug friends, it is Miss Kim coming to you again from our circle time at my house. Today was a beautiful day outside. It was sunny and there was a little bit of wind blowing. It was a gorgeous day to be out and look for all different types of signs of spring. So we are going to get started with our spring rain song. Remember, if you have anything blue or white you can use to pretend like they're raindrops. If not, remember how we say rain with our hands? You can use those. All right, here we go. Spring rain is falling down, falling down, falling down. Spring rain is falling down on the ground. Find a puddle and jump right in, jump right in, jump right in. Find a puddle and jump right in and get all wet. And Toby found the puddle and he is getting all wet right now. Good job, Toby. Get it with the puddle. All right, let's do our sit down song. Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Circle time is starting now. Good job. I bet you all of our friends are crisscross, so we don't have to do our crisscross applesauce song right now. And let's get started on our calendar. Today, our number is 26. We have a 2 and a 6. I'm going to put this number beside 25. So today is Thursday, and that month again is the month of, right, March. March 26th. We have lots of numbers to count. Baby Echo is sitting over there waiting to hear you guys counting your numbers nice and loud. So take in that deep whale breath and blow it out. Take in one more deep one. Let's get ready to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Good job counting. I think Baby Echo heard you guys. All right, let's move over to our shape. And our shape is Danny Diamond. Remember, Danny Diamond has how many sides? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And remember, those sides are diagonal lines. They're not those straight up and down ones. They're kind of on the sides. So I'm Danny Diamond. I have 4 sides, and all of them are diagonal lines. Good job. And we read in our book yesterday, and we found a picture in there of something that was the shape of a diamond. I wonder who can remember what was in that book that was the shape of a diamond. We take it outside, it goes up in the air when it's windy, and it flies. A kite. You're right. Good job. Okay, let's do our colors. I brought out another color today since the sun was out and it was beautiful, and this reminded me to bring out a different color for us to do today along with our 2 other ones from yesterday. So let's start first with that winter color, that brown color. So let's say it together on 3. 1, 2, 3. Brown. Good job. Look around your house. See if you can find things that are brown around your house today. All right, and our next one is that color green, that we're seeing all kinds of green things outside right now. So let's do our color green on 3. 1, 2, 3. Green. Good job. There's a green apple on there, and we talked about this before while we were still back at school. That was our shamrock or our clover shape. And now, one of my favorite colors is yellow. Let's do this one on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yellow. And we saw lots of yellow sunshine today. And pretty soon in summer, we'll be eating lots of this yellow corn. And there is a little yellow chick up there. And we'll see lots of those around Easter time, which is coming up very soon. All right. Now it is time to wake up Baby Echo and see if he'll come out and do his letters with us. So how about I hear you guys yelling to Baby Echo, wake up Baby Echo, on three. 1, 2, 3. Baby Echo, wake up. Wake up. Whoa. He is excited today. Baby Echo, why are you so excited? Oh, that's right. Baby Echo just reminded me of something. Tomorrow is Friday, so we get to do our Friday dance tomorrow. So that's what he's excited about. Pretty cool. We'll do that tomorrow, Baby Echo. All right, let's get our letters. And I also brought out another letter today to work on. And let's start with our letter J. So let's lock up those lips. Remember, just listening ears on right now. Just listen to Miss Kim. J, jug, J. All right, unlock those lips. And let's watch for Baby Echo on 3. 1, 2, 3. J, jug, J. Awesome. And we thought about it yesterday. One of our friends in our class, his name starts with that letter J. And it is Jack Jack. Good job. All right, now let's do our next letter. And there is that diamond shape. There is that kite. All right, lock up those lips and listen first. K, kite, K. All right, unlock those lips. Watch for Baby Echo. 1, 2, 3. K, kite, K. Awesome, good job. And our other letter that also makes that same sound as letter K is, lock those lips and listen, C, cat, K. But they both have that same sound at the end. Different letters, different keywords, but same sound. Okay, now watch for Baby Echo. Let's do it on 3. 1, 2, 3. C, cat, K. Awesome, good job. So remember, those are our 2 letters that have the same sound, C and K. Awesome. So since we pulled out letter C, how about if we do our letter C song? This is kind of a fun one to do. And you guys remember that little boy down there? He is baking a cake. And I wonder what kind of cake he might be making. Let's look at the picture. It looks like it's a brown cake. So maybe it's going to be a chocolate one, which is one of my favorites. Sounds good. All right, let's sing our song. Can you bake a cake? Can you cook a T-bone steak? Can you make a chocolate malted? Can you make an ice cream shake? Can you boil a cup of water? Clean the dishes like you oughta. Can you bake a cake? Good job. All right, let's put our letters back. And let's get to our book today. So since we're still talking about that season of springtime, and today I told you that I saw lots of sun outside while I was taking a walk. And this book is going to talk to us about all the different things that we might see outside, but not only in the springtime, but in the summer, in the winter, in the fall. And it's going to show us all different things that some kiddos are doing in those different seasons. So early in the morning, the sun comes up. Look out your window. Is it frosty? Is it foggy? Is it wet? Is it windy? Is it hot? Is it hailing? Is it stormy? Or is it snowing? What's the weather like today? So the weather out today was pretty sunny. It was beautiful. On hot days, bees buzz. Tired dogs stretch for the shade. Ice tastes nice. And plants need a drink too. One of Miss Kim's favorite flowers, a sunflower. We don't wear many clothes, especially when we go in our swimming pools. And everyone likes to be outdoors. What do you do on hot days? So think about some of the things that you do when it's hot outside. I know at my house we go swimming, we go hiking, we go for bike rides when it's hot out. Do you watch the clouds sail by in all the shapes and sizes? So let's look at some of the clouds that are up here. Let's look at this one right here. What do you think that cloud looks like? I think it looks maybe like a sheep or a lamb a little bit. What about this one over here? What do you think that cloud looks like? It kind of looks like a face right here.
Snail.
Maybe it's a snail with its big hump at the back. And let's look at that one. I think that one looks like some type of fish. Or maybe it's baby shark up there, the baby shark cloud. And I also see up here an airplane flying by. There's a hot air balloon. And look at the kids down here. They are flying those diamond shapes, those kites. Beautiful day. On cold days, puddles turn to ice. Cars are hard to start. We have warm drinks, and we wear lots of clothes. We can see our breath in the air. We might find footprints in the snow. What do you do on cold days? I know Miss Kim stays inside on cold days, but I know my ladybug friends like to be outside and they like playing in the snow and having snowball fights and making snowmen. Some animals sleep all winter long, and we learned this big word. It was called, they were hibernating. Remember when we were animals and we hibernated in our room underneath our tables? So those are some of the animals that go hibernating. Remember, they go to sleep for a long time. And other animals like being in the cold, like the penguins and the seals that are down here. And some birds even stay outside in the cold. Others fly away to the warmer places where it's nice and hot. Some countries are very hot, and others are always cold. So this is called an igloo. I-itch-it has that same sound as igloo. And that is a type of a house that these Eskimos live in, and that's where it's cold all the time. Some animals live where it's hot. So let's see if we can name some of these animals in our book. Let's look at this one up here. He looks like a tiger. And what about that one? I think that might look like the cheetah, our fast runner. And there's our elephant. There, I bet you that one is an alligator. Maybe it's Alice, our alligator. And our giraffe, cute monkey up there in the tree. And there is our snake slithering on the tree. Here's a camel with that big hump in its back. And this one over here, I think that one looks like a tiger. So some of those animals live where it's always hot. Spring is a time for lambs and chicks and eggs in nests, sudden showers, and the buds on the trees. Miss Kim's gonna put some pictures up of some trees I found today that have little buds coming on them. And I also was trying to find some eggs in a nest. I found one empty nest, but no eggs in it yet. Summer is the time for butterflies that are floating, flowers are growing, and long, lazy picnics, and vacations at the beach. That sounds like my kind of summer. Autumn or fall is a time for the falling leaves, fruit on trees, harvest days and bonfires, berries, nuts, and the squirrels. And winter is a time for skating and sledding and snowball fights, bare trees, gloves and scarves, whistling winds, and glowing fires to keep us warm. People say funny things about the weather sometimes, where they say, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We've sung that one before in school. And if the sun comes out after it rains, you will get to see a beautiful rainbow. So I'm going to show you how we say rainbow with our hands. So we're going to take our fingers, we're going to put up 4 fingers and 4 fingers. We're going to put our fingertips together and we are going to make an arch. Rainbow. One more time. Rainbow. So after it rains and the sun comes out, you might get to see a rainbow. So you'll have to watch for that someday. Okay, since we just talked about some rain and a rainbow, let's do our 5 little raindrops. And First, we're gonna count to make sure that all 5 of them are there, because sometimes they might fall into the puddle beforehand. So let's count to make sure 5 raindrops are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me 5 fingers. Have a friend there with you, or brother or sister or mommy or daddy. Give them a high five. I'm gonna high five Manny Mouse today. High five, Manny Mouse. All right, here we go. 5 little raindrops in a white cloud. The first one said, "Watch me fall to the ground." The second one said, "Now watch me go." The third one said, "I see a rainbow." The fourth one said, "Now let's have some fun." The fifth one said, "Oh no, I see the sun." Then the 5 little raindrops went splitter, splitter, splat, and made a big puddle, just like that. And there they are. And tomorrow it is supposed to rain again, so you might have some puddles to jump in tomorrow when you get to go outside later with mommy or daddy. All right, so we are all finished with circle time today. Tomorrow I will see you back again one more time for some circle time fun. And next week we will do some more spring fun, and we're even going to do some of our springtime dances, and we'll do our color song before we actually come over to do our circle time. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Love you guys.